So there are multiple financing options for replacing siding in Minnesota. Most of our customers access the equity that they have in their home by using a home equity line of credit or that kind of thing with their local bank. We do have some options through our company. Most of those have a higher interest rate. There are some same as cash options that are available on the market, but usually those same as cash options have a dealer fee that's actually built into it, and so you're paying a higher cost to access those same as cash options. So you don't have to make payments. There's a longer term that you don't have to make a payment, but you're actually paying more for the project than you would if you were able to pay for it with cash or to take out an equity line and work with your local bank, which seems to be the best route that most of our customers use.